India's largest private sector bank has released its annual report for the last fiscal. ICICI Bank has scaled down its borrowing program. Ritu Singh now joining us with the highlights of that annual report. Ritu, the bank wants to borrow 50,000 crore rupees against its earlier projection of 1 lakh crore rupees. Why have they halved it?
Well, one of the obvious reasons that we can deduct from the statements given by ICICI Bank today is that perhaps they do not see that much credit offtake happening in this fiscal, and therefore they've reduced their borrowing from 1 lakh that you mentioned earlier to 50,000 crores this year. What the bank has said in its statement is that it will seek a shareholder note to raise these funds by way of private placement. So this will be an NCD or a bond issue or any other such tool that the bank may decide to use at a later point of time. Of course, right now it just has a board approval. It does have to go to the shareholders next. The AGM of ICICI Bank, which is the annual general meeting, that will be held on the 29th of June, which is when it'll get the approval. And once it does secure that approval, the fundraising process can happen anytime during that date and the next 1 year. Just to give you a background, 2,50,000 crore is what the borrowing limit for ICICI Bank has been set, calculating its net worth and using the formula given by the regulator. But of course, only 6,800 crores is what the bank raised by way of bonds in the last year, although it did have a window of raising almost 1 lakh crore rupees. So there is a big reduction that the bank has made in its borrowing, although it's still a huge figure. Obviously, it sees a slower credit offtake, which is one of the reasons why it may have thought, or the other reason could have been the markets do not look as favorable, which is one of the reasons that it has decided to bring down its borrowing limit.
Thanks, Ritu, for joining us with all of those details. ICICI Bank halving its borrowing projection to 50,000 crore rupees.